Hi boys and girls, tonight we are focusing on the same strategy, standard algorithm, but this time we are going to be using it for addition equations that require regrouping. Our learning goal for this lesson is that I can solve addition and subtraction equations involving regrouping by using a standard algorithm. Let's look at the equation 485 plus 136. We know that when using the standard algorithm strategy, we have to rewrite our equation lining up the ones, the tens, and the hundreds places. Once we have rewritten our equation, we can add. We always start with the ones place. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. But we know that we can't have an 11 in the ones place. So we have to regroup and carry the 10 next door. Then we add the tens. And we know that 8 plus 3 is 11. And then we have to add the 110 that we carried over, and that gives us 12. We keep the 2 in the tens place and carry the 100, regroup the 100 over next door. So then we add the hundreds. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Adding a 1 equals 6. So our total sum is 621. Let's try a problem together. Go ahead and pause the video to grab a sheet of paper and a pencil. On your paper, go ahead and write the equation 275 plus 336. When using the standard algorithm method, we know that we have to rewrite the equation. Pause the video and do that now. Make sure that you've lined up the ones, the tens, and the hundreds column. Now we can add. We know that 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. But we know that we can't have an 11 in the ones place, so we have to regroup the 10 to the tens column. Now we can add our numbers in the tens place. We know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, and we can't forget to add the 110 that we regrouped to give us 11. But we can't have 11 in the tens place. So we'll keep a 1 and then add the 100 over to the hundreds place. Remember, boys and girls, that sometimes you need to regroup more than once. So now finally we can add the numbers in the hundreds place. And we know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and then add the 100 that we regrouped to give us 6. So our total sum is 611. So boys and girls, when we use the standard algorithm strategy for addition with regrouping, we always start with the ones place. We add the ones and regroup. We regroup or carry over the 10 next door, and then we add the tens. Don't forget to add the 10 that you carried over, and then you can regroup again. Carry the 100 next door. Finally, add the hundreds. Always remember the 100 that you carried over. And that, boys and girls, is how we use the standard algorithm strategy to solve addition equations that require regrouping. Now you give it a try with the practice problems that we gave to you in class.